Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, in this area. Brainman Media Services Studios in Vol Country. This is an afternoon update. As you can see, it is raining like buckets out here in the East Tennessee area. And we'd like to remind you to be safe out there if you plan to do a little traveling. And yep, it is raining, and we just saw a keen crack of thunder outside our studios here in Vol Country. Now remember, due to security reasons, we cannot disclose the location. But this is a good idea of what it's like on Wednesday, Tuesday, 2011, on this Brainman Media Services outlet. Do not adjust your set.